You are. This afternoon we're going to do some origami. We're going to make an emperor and an empress. Emperor and empress. See these beautiful dolls here from Shikoku? This one's the empress and this one is the emperor. And they're like the royal family in Japan. So you take your pattern origami and put it on the table and fold it in to be a big triangle. And in Japan, when you're doing origami, you have to get your fingernails and really make that a very good fold. Then you open it back out, pattern side still on the ground, and fold it across like you're making a kite, like that paper wanted to be. And then this one comes across, and then you take the tip up like that. Good. So let's look at what that looked like again. You had one big triangle, opened it out, and you took one side in and the other in like a kite, and then over like this. And then all you need to do is see that point just there. You just need to fold down the tip to that point. Try that. That's right. And now we have the empress. Now, she's very cold in her castle, so we have to tuck her arms in beautifully, like this. We'll try and tuck her arms in. There she is, the empress. Now, if we were going to make the emperor, how about a black piece of origami paper? You start the same way. In fact, the only thing that's different, and then you fold it out like a kite and fold up that last triangle. And then remember this tip here. You need to fold down to the tip. Turn it around. Now the emperor marches about his castle feeling rather important. So his ego needs a little bit of space for his muscles here. So you fold him out a bit further. Can you see that? Good. And the emperor has a special top knot. So you fold it back and back again like this. And that's the emperor's top knot. The Japanese men used to wear their hair, and they still do in their sumo wrestlers, in a special top knot. So there's our emperor and our empress. And if you've got some pencils, you could draw on their faces. They might like to sit on the fridge.